Okay, this is activity 1 for lab 3. I have my salt water, my sodium chloride, and I've already labeled all the test tubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and that's 2 milliliters of copper sulfate. I'm going to leave that in there. This will serve as my basis for the color. It'll be my reference. Okay, see if they're about the same, which they are. Good. And I'm just going to add 40 drops or 2 milliliters to each test tube. Alright, and that's 2 milliliters of copper sulfate in each tube. Okay, nothing will be added to test tube number 1. And now using the 10 milliliter graduate cylinder, we're going to measure out 1 milliliter of the concentrated salt solution. And it's all dissolved as instructed. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to add this to test tube number 2. We're going to mix that around a little bit. And notice it turns a little green. more green than compared to test tube 1. Okay, now we're going to add 2 milliliters to test tube 3. A little bit too much. Okay. A little bit, not enough. Alright, perfect. Okay, test tube number 3. 2 milliliters. And it turns a brighter green. Okay. So we're going to record the colors real quick. Okay. Now we're going to add 4 milliliters to test tube 4 and test tube 5. Perfect. Test tube 4. Which is now like a green. Okay. And test tube 5. I'm going to add 4 milliliters as well. Perfect. And you get the same result as test tube 4. And we're going to keep test tube 4 and 5 for activity 4. Okay. Now what we're going to do is take a picture of each of these solutions, and then I will be back to do activity 2. And just so you see, that's 1, test tube 1, test tube 2, test tube 3, test tube 4, and test tube 5. Alright, I'll be back to activity 2.